This is a video to show how to fix a car or truck door that requires hard slamming to get it to shut properly. I'm going to show you how to fix this on my 1985 Chevy Suburban. There's supposed to be a plastic bushing on this striker pin or bolt. Over time, these will break or disintegrate. You can buy a new pin from most any auto parts store, or you can make your own bushing with a piece of 1/2 inch PEX tubing available at most hardware stores. I bought a foot for about $1. What you want to do, mark how big you want your bushing, cut it to length. I used a PVC pipe cutter. Then cut a slit. I'm going to open up that PEX tubing and slip it over that pin. I used a socket wrench to help hold it open. Then once you get it over the pin, your door should now shut properly. I hope this video helps.